was moving, was shaking, y'all. Oh, thanking God for another one, y'all. Thanking God for another one. But anyways, what's good with you, y'all? All my Hi-Visuals. Me and Nebula is commuting to the plantation today. On a nice, it's a little cloudy. I don't think it's gonna rain or anything. It's actually a little warm today, y'all. I think high is like 85. Y'all see? Uh-oh, watch out, killer poodle or whatever dog you are. Got the killer poodles is out. That's a wolf. Well, what's good though, y'all? Thank y'all for checking out another vlog from Hi-Viz Ricky. I'm out here, man, I had to get on out today. It's too nice. Some perfect riding weather. A little windy though, so I can't say 100% perfect. But it's nice today, y'all. You don't need your jacket today. But we've been cold for the last couple of weeks. And when I say cold, I'm talking about South Florida cold. But shoot, man, 40 degrees is cold anywhere, you ask me. I think ever since I moved to Florida and been here for a couple years after that, I became what's the P word? I became a wimp. I won't say the P word. My blood has gotten thin. So I be getting chilly when it's 60 degrees. So then when I go back home to New York, they be like, man, what the hell? Florida that made you soft. It's crazy how you see all the Christmas inflatables, or they all just dead on the lawn. they come to life at night. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to spend a little quality time. Had to get a little seat time in with Nebula. Sometimes she be getting cabin fever just sitting in the garage. So I had to get out here, man. It's a nice day today, y'all. But hopefully y'all alright. Hopefully y'all safe and staying geared up. Staying geared up, y'all. What the hell? What's going on? I don't know what that car doing or this truck doing, so I'm gonna wait. Cause you know what, man, you can't always think that these cages see you out here. You might think they see you because you visible, but that don't mean that they always see you. So I guess he's probably making a U-turn. So just gonna get my cruise on for these few minutes. I must say though, these Gsxr boots, I'm getting familiar with them. Man, y'all, I remember, y'all know I had said that I love just cruising in 4th gear. I'm starting to like that 3rd gear. That 3rd gear pull is alright. Bitch, you seen me. Some new Hummers, y'all. I don't know if I like, y'all, they not bad. The new Hummers ain't that bad. can't get over there. Your boy gonna be in the gutter. They ain't give me no room to scoot on over. Shoot, y'all, it's a little hotter than usual, man. That's that wintertime South Florida winters. My favorite. But yeah, like, man, I had to talk with you guys, man. I wanted to tell you thank you. Thank you to the subscribers. I really appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate your feedback every now and then. And as y'all can see, I'll chop it up. You know, I get a comment, I'll say something, good or bad, whether they trolling or not. I'm gonna say something. But you know, hey, I welcome all, y'all. I welcome all. And you know, this channel is basically about my journey, you know, and how I feel about certain situations. You know, like, I really do feel, I wish, you know, more riders would try to be visible out here in these streets, man. Just being aware. That's why I rock this Hi-Viz vest. It ain't the coolest looking thing, but I make it look cool. Anything I rock, I'ma make it look cool. Shoot, I'm telling you, I'm gonna make my bike Hi-Viz. What the hell? Oh, they getting ready for the parade. Look at the cones, they Hi-Viz. Everybody Hi-Viz around here. It's a little windy though. That truck doing up there? Yeah, they talking about right now on the radio about the new Jamie Foxx special. I haven't watched it yet, but my wife watched it and she said I'm gonna shed some tears. And now I hear this lady on the radio talking about she shedded tears too. So I'm like, damn, should I watch it? Is it like that? But it had you laughing also, so I don't know. I might watch it while I'm at work or something. But anyways, as I was just speaking about, man, my channel is just, I'm trying to keep it organic. You know, just keep it about my day in the life or whatever. You know what I mean? When I go and ride, or why I ride, and you know, my mistakes, my screw ups, and my good things. You know, if you ever watch my videos from when I had my R3, I didn't really do too many videos with my CBR 250. It's one up there. And as you can see, man, when I was first starting to ride, I see some improvement. I see a lot of improvement from when I was even riding my R3. I see some improvement. I don't think I was even hitting the streets like that on my R3. I mean, I was hitting the streets, but not like I've been hitting the streets with my with Nebula here. It's more about the power level, man. I got some power to get up out the way, you know. And that was my main thing, man. The R3. You got a little sound system. But you know, with the R3, it wasn't like any. I'm telling you, it wasn't enough power for me. Well, it was to just be cruising, but not for these cagers, man. These cagers would be right there, right up on your ass. And I'm glad I actually went that route of just, you know, keeping it like a stepping stone, like a ladder, climbing my way up. I'm glad I did it like that. Because I think I told this story before. When I first was on my first day, my first night, when I got home with my the Honda, the CBR 250, I had a mistake. Like, as soon as I started riding, I had a mistake. I was trying to get it into the sweet spot, it kept stalling. Trying to get into the sweet spot, kept stalling. And then once I got it into the sweet spot and me giving it some gas, boom, I kind of took off across the street. You know, like one of these side streets. That's where I was living at the time. To one of these side streets. And, you know, thank God I was actually doing my research on how to ride to know that to get out of trouble, man, you pull that clutch in, you know, and it shut all power to the engine. Thank God I knew all of that, and that's what I did. And if I had did that on like a 600 or 1,000, or, you know, something just a lot more powerful, I don't think I asked, bitch, you seen me. I mean, these goddamn cagers. Bitch, you seen me. You know, if I would have did that on something a lot more powerful, y'all. One, at the time, my wife was outside watching. My whole family, well, not the whole family, but my 3 little ones and my wife, they was all watching me outside. It was at night, and, you know, boom, I kind of had a little mistake. Now, I think if my wife would have seen that mistake, or that mistake was a hell of a lot worse, she would have been like, nah, you need to get rid of that thing. Especially if it was a 600 or 1,000 and taking off like that. I probably would have popped the wheelie and looped it or something. You know, because I was trying to find the sweet spot. And y'all know how it is to the real riders or the experienced riders. You know, when you're trying to find the sweet spot and it keeps stalling, you start to give it a little gas, and then it was all messed up for a second. I didn't fall off or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? I didn't fall off or anything. Look at this. Alright, bitch, you see me. Power band Ricky. To these folks, pagers. But yeah, like, you know, if it was a much bigger bike and I had that mistake, man. And I also had a mistake. I see them boys. I also had a mistake, man, when I had, this is after having a bike for a month or two, or, you know, the CBR, and I went to, like being here at an intersection, and I had, think I'm good, and what I did was I turned the corner like this, but turned the corner too much, and scraped the side of my wheels on a, and scrape the side of my wheels on a damn, look at this, see that? See these damn cagers? Like, bitch, you seen me. Then they look the other way and act like they ain't paying attention. But what had happened was I go ahead and I scraped the whole side of the wheel on the median of the curb and almost fell then, but it worked out. So I know, man, if it was a bigger bike, it definitely would have been an issue. Definitely would have been an issue, y'all. But anyways, I'm here at the plantation at BJ's. I always say this joke, you know, it blows. But anyways, I'm here, man. I'ma holler back. Y'all be easy. Y'all stay safe. Stay geared up. Stay prayed up. You know, try to be visible out here. Shout out to all the Hi-Viz. And remember, you never too old to start over and dream again, y'all. All right, OG. Peace.